nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cook with an Italian. Guys, today we're going to make again charcuterie. We're going to make speck. It's quite easy to make, and we need to smoke it as well because the speck is a smoked one. I took the rump side of a pork, of a leg of a pork, you know, like that, with skin. We leave with skin, and I'm gonna use for cure this. I'm gonna use well, I use 25 grams of the sea salt per kilo. This is 2 kilos, is 50 grams of salt. Juniper beans, I use 15. 2 grams of black pepper per kilo, that is 4, and some bay leaves, 3-4 bay leaves, okay? Now, what we're gonna do, the first step, we're gonna cure it. Try to make mess, I use this bowl, but all the salt inside, black pepper inside. Always, guys, if you like this video, share with a friend, subscribe on the channel, or check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Now, guys, this is done. And after 7 days to 10 days, we do the second step, okay? Okay, guys, after 7 days, my speck is cure. Take this color, you know, but you can have a nice piece of leg of pork cure, and you can have even like that. But now I'm gonna smoke it. I'm gonna show you from the other side as well. So just I'm gonna do this. I didn't gonna clean, and you know, someone they wash it and they redo again the curing. No, this one now going in the smoker, very gentle. This is gonna smoke around 15 to 18, maximum 20 degrees. It's gonna be gentle. I'm gonna leave this 48 hours, very gentle. And I'm gonna show you the next. Basically, the next step is, because in the next step gonna be just stay at least, I'm gonna leave this around 6 months. But after 3, someone leave 3, but I like more aged. I'm gonna vacuum pack it and I'm gonna leave in the fridge, because if I leave it like that, because I do this in the normal fridge, because if I leave this in the normal fridge just like that, not vacuum, gonna, you know, the smell, the smoke gonna be everywhere in the fridge. The great gentle smoke, and later just we're gonna leave it. Okay, guys, my speck, look, is smoked. The smell is absolutely intense. Now, this I smoke it for 24 hours. No, sorry, 2 days, 48 hours in between 18 to 20 degree. Now it's ready. The smell, I told you, is very nice. You see the color change as well. It's a little bit yellow. Now, what I'm gonna do? 2 options. This one, if you have a space in the fridge, or you have a separate fridge, or the space for that, hanging and leave in the fridge. I don't have this space, and I'm gonna vacuum pack it. I'm gonna put in my fridge. I'm gonna storage it in my fridge for the space and stuff like that. I did before many times this, working very well, but you need a lot of passion. You're gonna leave this at least 3 months. The vacuum is ready to eat after 3 months, but I'm like this even more dry. I'm gonna leave this double. I'm gonna leave this around 6 months. Okay guys, the my speck is ready. Look there. Absolutely. Guys, I left this one 6 months in the fridge. Happened just one accident, popped the bag and I vacuum pack again. This the beginner was 2 kilos 100. I'm weighted is exactly 1 kilo. You know, half weight. Look at that. And now we're gonna taste it. We're gonna try. You see? Look at that. Absolutely. Here the color is, I think, gonna be more dark, but look at the skin. How are we gonna do? I'm gonna cut like this. I want to see in the middle how it is. Yeah, the color is very, very nice. All the herbs, the spices, the smoke. The meat is just mild. The fat is absolutely wow. I cannot believe in this fridge we can do this. This is a masterpiece. Well done again, Piero. It's absolutely delicious. You can try with some bread, but to be honest, I prefer without. Wow, amazing. Guys, I hope you try this. It's easy. You're gonna keep a little bit in the fridge long, you know, but the result is al bacio. This is another masterpiece. The my speck, guys, is this simple and natural. And always, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.